Welcome, everyone. Today we're diving into the practical world of data entry using two powerful tools, SPSS and Stata. Let's start by getting our hands dirty with the basics. Data entry is the first step in any analysis, and getting it right makes everything else smoother. We'll explore how to structure data, avoid common mistakes, and manage your datasets efficiently. By the end, you'll feel confident entering and cleaning data like a pro. Let's begin with a quick overview. Statistical software like SPSS and Stata help us organize and analyze data. Think of your dataset as a table. Rows represent individual cases, like survey respondents, while columns represent variables, like age or gender. Before entering data, it's smart to prepare a codebook. This defines your variables, value labels, and missing data codes. For example, you might code male as 1 and female as 2. This upfront planning saves headaches later. Now let's walk through the general workflow. First, you define your variables, giving them names and types. Next, you enter the actual data, row by row. You'll assign value codes, such as 1 equals male, and handle missing values, often using a number like 99 or a blank. Finally, you save your file. This structured approach ensures your data is consistent and ready for analysis. In SPSS, data entry happens in two main views. Data view shows your records in a spreadsheet format, while variable view is where you define each variable's properties, name, type, labels, and missing values. You can also import data from Excel or CSV files. Once your data is ready, save it as a .sav file. This format keeps all your variable definitions intact. Stata takes a command-driven approach. Instead of clicking through menus, you use commands like import Excel to bring in data, then browse to view it. Commands like summarize give quick stats, and save stores your file as a DTA dataset. This method is powerful once you're comfortable with the syntax. For example, typing import Excel my data.xlsx loads the file instantly. No dataset is perfect on the first try. Data quality management means checking for duplicates, correcting errors, and handling missing values. You might find a respondent entered age as 200, clearly a typo. Use commands like duplicates report in Stata or SPSS's identify duplicate cases to clean. This step ensures your analysis is accurate. Missing data is a reality. In SPSS, define missing values in variable view, such as marking 99 as missing. In Stata, you use SM for missing. Decide whether to exclude or impute missing values. For example, if a respondent skipped a question, that cell stays blank. Always document how you handle missing data for transparency. Both tools have strengths. SPSS is more point and click, great for beginners. Stata uses commands, offering more reproducibility. If you're doing complex modeling, Stata's syntax shines. For quick surveys, SPSS is user-friendly. Choose based on your team's skills and project needs. Either way, the data entry principles are universal. Here are key tips. Always use a codebook, label variables clearly, and double-check entries. Avoid mixing text and numbers in the same column. Set data types early, numeric for ages, string for names, and save your work frequently. A simple error like a misplaced decimal can skew results, so take your time during entry. To wrap up, data entry isn't glamorous, but it's the foundation of good analysis. Whether you use SPSS or Stata, planning your codebook, entering carefully, and cleaning your data will save you time later. You now have the tools to start confidently. Practice with a small dataset, and soon these steps will become second nature. Thanks for joining, and happy data wrangling.